Welcome. In front of me is a BIGME HiBreak Pro, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the screen lock password to your device. Now the best and the first thing that you should do in such situation is take your time and try your best to remember the password that worked for you the last time that you accessed this device. And in case you really can't do this, then you should try to reach out the BIGME customer support service, tell them about your issue, and in case you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them using, for example, your check, you'll be able to regain access to this device once again. And they probably won't require the removal of all your personal data and information from the smartphone. Now, if this option isn't for you, then you have you have one other solution, which is factory reset operation. And if you want to perform a factory reset operation, you can do this both remotely using Find Hub service. To do that, you simply have to have the Google account connected to this device, and in case you didn't manually disable the Find My Device feature on this smartphone, then you'll be able to open the Find Hub service on any browser on any of your other devices, then log into to Find Hub using your mail account that is connected to the smartphone, select the smartphone on the list, and then select the factory reset operation to erase all data from your phone. And when your phone is erased, you'll be able to set it up once again. Now, if you can't do this either, there is one last option, which is the local factory reset. And to perform a local factory reset operation, you'll have to access the recovery mode on your smartphone and select erase all data. Now, if you don't know how to do this, or if you need some help on your way, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And for this video, that will be all. So if it helps you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.